Okay, guys, let's make a special spaghetti today. This spaghetti you will never forget, and it's so amazing and delicious and nice at the same time. No, it's so delicious. This spaghetti is an American spaghetti mixed with Sudanese cultural inside. We're gonna mix doing it so nicely. So what you need, you just need just to bring your pot in the stove, put it there, and then grab your 2 large onion, and then your red bell pepper, yellow and green. Make sure to grab some nyanya. I know, that's nyanya. Why say that? It's not a baby. Yeah. Tomatoes are called nyanya in Kiswahili. So that's why I just call them like that. So chop your onion, your basal, chop them really nicely, and then transfer them to another bowl, or maybe just straight to the pan right away. And then after that, grab your red bell pepper and start chopping them. Then your green, chop them nicely. So when you're done chopping that one, bring your yellow and chop them to pieces. Make sure you chop them medium. Don't chop them small. And when you're done chopping them, you can chop your nyanya after that. I mean tomatoes. You can just chop them. In the meantime, guys, let me take this opportunity to thank you guys and to let you guys know too. Today we changed the channel name. The channel name used to be Chef Nyajay, but today we changed it to Nyajima Kitchen due to there's so many the same name in the YouTube, like Chef Nyajay, Chef Nya Chef Nyakay. There's so many the same name in the YouTube. So we changed our brand name today and we put the Nyajima Kitchen, but the same chef is still cooking and it's the same person still running the channel. So don't feel like, oh my God, how did my favorite channel change? It hadn't changed. It's just the name, and we continue to serve it as lifestyle cooking channel. This what I wanted to make it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. And to be fair, the channel will be just like that, and we're gonna be doing some cooking, even some dessert in the channel. So the channel now is gonna be more. You are watching this channel for the first time. My name is Nyajima, and this is Nyajima Kitchen you're watching from, but it used to be Chef Nyajay Kitchen, Chef Nyajay Lifestyle Cooking, but we changed the name to Chef Nyajay. So in the meantime, when you're done cutting your nyanya, I mean tomatoes, make sure that you grab your spaghetti or maybe pasta, or maybe I can say noodle. Cook them in the other side. And fry your onion on the other side too. When your onion are like almost golden brown, don't forget to add your garlic too. Otherwise, it will not taste that amazing. I know I have a garlic powder right there, but I'm gonna use a chopped fresh garlic because I want that taste and that aroma. It's gonna leave behind. So guys, so far so good. We are making this a delicious noodle. Like it's mixed with two culture, guys. It's mixed with a Canadian one, South Sudanese one. We're gonna add more ingredient in there because in the normal way they just make it with the pasta. They just make it noodle and like tomato sauce, and then it's good with some spices. But for me, I'm gonna add more there. Like you can see nyanya right there. I mean tomatoes right there. We are adding fresh one, and we are adding the tomato paste, not tomato sauce this time, because our sauce is gonna be just chopped nyanya over there. I mean tomatoes. Yeah, guys, I'm using two language right here. This one. It's so good and amazing. Why? When you're using tomatoes, it's give that flavor you're looking for. And the meat today is gonna be grounded beef. Yes, that's what I was looking for. You may wonder why she doesn't not have another answer. Oh my God, just so what? Actually, they change color because I watch it way too much with the vinegar and salt. So all the redness is gone. So, but don't do that. Don't do that. Do just wash it a little bit, but don't wash your meat too much like I did. Me, I'm the kind of person like to wash it that really much. But this time, I just wash it way too much though. So don't do it like that. And then add your spices. Just because I know I have many spices need to go inside. That's why I watch it that really nicely, because I wanted to watch it nicely. Because I watch it with two different products. I wash it with vinegar and then wash it with salt. Then wash it with water. So all the color is gone. The spice I'm using was the green bell pepper I use. That is a lemon with the pepper too. with the black pepper too. They are mixed. And then I add salt inside, and then bay leaf, and then cinnamon too. I'll add it. And then I'm going to add garlic powder. That is garlic powder there. If you like garlic powder like me, I like it. I like garlic powder because of egg. When I'm making an egg, I like to add that flavor inside, because sometimes chopped garlic does not go well with this seed here. I don't know what they call, but I will check. Maybe I will link, or maybe just let it go. You like it, just let me know. I can write it down there for you. But what we use today, you may find them in the description of this video when this one is done. I'm going to try to list the best I can. Maybe I won't mention all, but I will try to mention what I add, because this one is just easy to make, and it doesn't consume time, and you don't even need that all ingredient I used. You just need like 5 ingredients and you should be good to go, like what I'm telling you. So I just like to add extra because I just like more flavor, because I like food with flavor. Sometimes I don't, but sometimes I do. It can be more confusing. Don't raise your eyebrows, I must say. Okay, let's go. Actually, so far, so good. This is how it's turned out. And then I'm going to be like adding a glass of water, but it was off camera, so you won't see that. But I'm just letting you know. You see the water like now. Yeah, like the water you saw there. I add a tea glass water, a tea glass of water. That's what I add. And then I'm going to cover it, let it cook for like 20 minutes. And I'm going to be right there to make sure that doesn't burn. And I'm going to keep stirring it and cover it. So that is the tomato paste I'm using. I'm going to take one teaspoon, and then I have a bit. And then another tip, guys, I want to share with you today. When using a tomato paste and it's not finished, make sure that you gather everything together inside, and then add oil on top of it. And then make sure you store it in the fridge. It's going to even stay there for 2 weeks, believe me, without getting spoiled. That is the secret I learned, and it's really good. So far, that's how it looks. If you don't like the chunk of nyanya, I mean tomatoes, you can blend it before putting the meat inside. Yeah, otherwise you like that one, you can let it go. But for me, I like that one personally because I like the chunk of that thing inside. So when you're done, just add your colorful pepper inside. Green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper. Even if you have like orange too, add. And then it should be good. And then give it just 1 minute to simmer. And then serve yourself to taste. And that's what I just did right there. That is my spoon. And that is my supriya. Or what is the name again? Come on, let me know. Plate? Yes, that is my plate right there. Now I'm done cooking. What I just need to do, just need to test my own creation. How is it? Oh my God, I can't wait to dig in there. What secret I didn't tell you guys? I tested before putting it in the camera, but it was really nice. So I have to like dig in a little bit before I show you in the camera. But I have to show you now. So good. Yeah, I don't like this food though because it reminds me, because it's colorful and it's so nice, so good. Oh my! Especially you're going somewhere, it's just good for like going somewhere and then you just eat and then drink a soda or something, and then you gotta go. That how it look, and that, oh my God.